Now I know what this bit's for. You're supposed to put it here, but I think I like it better like that. You're supposed to put it here and then that mount attaches to this part, but I like it better like this. But the only problem is at the back it doesn't fit quite well. But if I had brought it more back here, it would have squeezed together perfectly and it wouldn't have that gaping bit on the left there. But I think I like it better like that anyway. I think that gives better support too, rather than having that up there. Then it's just, there's no point in putting it on there at all because there's no support. You know, just one nut holding it. But yeah. Anyway, that's my new exhaust, DANMOTO JISU, whatever it is. Cheapest muffler you can buy.